Good morning, Sir Oka. This is my video for the quiz number 3. Here is the first question for the quiz number 3. As I push the start button, the relay will be triggered to make the cylinder move forward. Then it will hit the limit switch 2, causing the cylinder to retract, but also triggering the relay number 2. And this sequence will go on until it hit the stop. Control circuit and the pneumatic circuit for the first question. As I press the button, the A plus will move forward, then retract, following by the second cylinder and the third cylinder. Here is the demo. Here is the second part of the quiz 3. As I push the start button, it will trigger the first relay, causing the first cylinder and second cylinder to move forward, and causing the limit switch to be hit and triggering this second relay, making the third cylinder move forward. Then it will hit the limit switch, which causes to hit the relay number 3, making the first cylinder retract, then sequentially the second cylinder and the third cylinder to retract, then stop. Here is the control and pneumatic circuit for the second question. As I push the button, the first two cylinder will move forward, then following by the third cylinder. And then they will retract in sequence. First the first cylinder, the second cylinder, and the third cylinder. Here's the demo.